Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best folding work table you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best folding work table in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is WOHOMO Folding Desk. The small folding desk is light and sturdy with only 14.96 pounds, even your 12-year child could easily move it from bedroom to living room or anywhere, also can take it away for a travel with your family, easy to disassemble so can adapt more types of car space. A detailed instruction manual and all tools required for assembling are included. Hassle-free and time-saving to put the small folding desk together in 3 songs, the 2 triangular supporting plates make the table more stable. Even the size is small, but the little cute desk has spacious surface to work with 2 monitors, more comfortable when working with the spacious leg space. The black side hook that comes with is nice for hanging small items such as earphones or bags on the side, beautifully surface finished that the mouse also can work well on the desktop if your mousepad cannot be found at some time. It's perfect for writing, studying, gaming, and even dining. Suitable for study, bedroom, dining room, kitchen, and home office. Product dimensions is 2.76 depth by 31.5 width by 29.52 inch height. When it is folded up, only 2.76 inch width, very slim to store easily behind a door, under the bed or couch, side of refrigerator, small corner space, or RV etc. When not in use, keeping the tidy of the room. Due to the nylon buckle which is under the desk surface is accurate design to make the folding desk so easy to fold or unfold, but also ensures the table legs stably without shaking. Our second best folding work table is CoscoProducts Diamond Folding Table. The Costco Diamond Series folding table frame is designed with arched legs offering end-of-table seating that won't interfere with your knees. Another reason this is the perfect table for extra seating at parties and events or arts and crafts projects that require addition space. The auto-lock feature allows the user to easily set up or take down the table without worry. When the table legs are open, the lock engages. When the table legs are folded, the lock releases for quick and easy setup and take down. Costco's Diamond Series 6 feet. Fold-in-half table is a step above traditional banquet tables with a 1,200 pounds evenly distributed weight capacity. The frame is specifically designed with an arched leg to offer end-of-table seating that won't interfere with your knees. The Diamond Series table offers a stylish appearance while featuring a premium frame and hassle-free auto-lock function. The auto-lock feature allows you to easily set up or take down this table without worry of table collapse. The Diamond Series 6 feet folding table features a comfortable, rubberized carry handle for easy transport. Fold the table, grab the handle, and carry to and from your storage location. Great for quick setup for kids' crafts, parties, and extra seating when needed. Third pick in our list is Office Star Resin Multipurpose Rectangle Folding Table. This folding table is perfect for indoor or outdoor use. This lightweight resin table boasts a sturdy high-quality metal foundation that is powder-coated for optimal longevity. A practical addition to any school or office setting, this durably constructed table features broad stance legs for maximum stability, non-marring footcaps to keep your floors scratch-free, while the legs fold up for easy storage. The strategically mounted and convenient carrying handle makes single-person transport a snap, and the high-quality resin surface makes this functional table easy to clean. Add to cart now and start enjoying this amazing table for years to come. Office Star Resin Multipurpose Rectangle Table designed for indoor or outdoor use, this lightweight resin table boasts a sturdy high-quality metal foundation that is powder-coated for optimal longevity. A practical addition to any school or office setting, this durably constructed table features broad stance legs for maximum stability, non-marring footcaps to keep your floors scratch-free, while the legs fold up for easy storage. The strategically mounted and convenient carrying handle makes single-person transport a snap, and the high-quality resin surface makes this functional table easy to clean. Heavy-duty blow-mold light gray resin top for durability and easy cleanup. Resin surface is waterproof, scratch, and impact-resistant, making this multi-purpose utility table. Light gray powder-coated steel tube framing provides strong long-lasting use and lightweight portability. Made with non-marring foot caps to keep your floors scratch-free. The table legs fold under the table to make storage more convenient and for better portability. Light gray powder-coated steel tube framing provides strong long-lasting use and lightweight portability. Resin surface is waterproof, scratch, and impact-resistant, making this multi-purpose utility table ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Number 4 in our side is Mondoshop Small Adjustable Height Folding Table. The portable camping table's unfolded desktop size is 25.8 by 17.5 inches, and the weight bearing is 55 pounds. The newest designed high-quality plastic material gives the camping table and collapsible stool remarkable strength and rigidity. Folding into a 17.5 by 12.9 by 2.9 inches disc for easy carry and storage, the folding table weight is 4.4 pounds. You can easily place it into your backpack, luggage, or car. You can adjust the collapsible table to a suitable height of 11.5 or 15.7 or 17.7 or 19.7 inches. Hand straps are available and easy to carry. The 4 legs base makes the beach dining table more stable. Store it in a car, canoe, or wherever you may need it. The portable table is suitable for beach dining, camping, picnic, cooking, outdoor drinking coffee, travel, etc. No tools needed. First, open the folding table and insert the latch. Second, fix the brackets and net cloth. Third, pull up 4 legs and press down the white button to adjust the height. Finally, just turn over the table to use it. Resin surface is waterproof, scratch, and impact resistant, making this multi-purpose table ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Gray powder-coated steel tube framing for strong long-lasting use and lightweight portability. Non-marring leg tips protect floor surfaces from scuffs and scratches. Product arrives fully assembled and ready to go for your next event. Last in our best folding work table list is RedSwing Small Folding Table Portable. This table is easy to set up and amp, waterproof, which install the camp table within a few seconds. Folds flat for easy storage. Easy to clean the tabletop with cloth or paper. Indoor and outdoor use. Used as picnic table, grill side table, barbecue, serving table for dining, small patio table for adult and kids, camping table for beach, laptop desk for bed, couch for a relaxing workspace. The portable desk leg uses epoxy spray paint technique. Lacquer face is not easy to fall off. It is durable, long lifetime up to 10 years. Panel material is environmental P2 standard particle wood with a smooth surface and easy cleaning. This laptop desk is no need to assemble, can be opened and folded in a few seconds. Adjustable leg pads design, legs can adjust 1/2 to 1 inch length, made the laptop table keep stable even on uneven floor. It folds up quickly and can be stored easily without taking up too much space. The Indestructible 2 table with folding legs is an ideal solution for your personal and professional purposes, from crafting to extending your desk space, perfect for games, painting, and more. This 19.5 inch wide by 30 inch long table adjusts from 25 to 28 inch tall and doesn't fold in the middle, giving you a seamless flat surface to work or play on. Dent and scratch resistant, the blow-molded high-density polyethylene top boasts a high-class charcoal color and is securely mounted to a sturdy frame capable of supporting 250 pounds evenly distributed.